In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change spending limits on Wise, formerly known as TransferWise. If you're looking to have more control over your financial transactions, adjusting your spending limits on Wise is an excellent step forward. So let's walk through the entire process together, ensuring you can navigate it seamlessly and confidently. First and foremost, you'll need a Wise account, so make sure you've opened one. Once you've set that up, let's log in. Open your browser, go to the Wise website and sign into your account. It's vital to ensure you're on the official website, safeguarding your personal information and funds. Having logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your account. The layout is user-friendly, designed to simplify your experience. Next, focus your attention on the menu options available to you. Search for the card option. This is usually accessible from a main toolbar where Wise puts all your card-related controls in one convenient place. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be directed to the card management section. Here, you can explore various features related to your Wise card, but today we are focusing on the spending limits. You'll notice an option labeled Edit Limits. This feature allows you to customize the constraints on how much you can spend or withdraw, aligning them with your financial habits or current needs. Click on it, and you'll see multiple settings that pertain to different aspects of your account. Follow this by selecting Edit Account Limits. This is where the magic happens. You now have the ability to set specific thresholds based on the amount you usually spend or plan to withdraw. Now comes the pivotal part, adjusting these limits. Depending on whether you're managing a personal or business account, you'll want to tailor these limits to fit your usual spending habits. Consider your typical expenses and make adjustments while keeping future transactions in mind. Simply change the numbers in the designated fields. It's an opportunity to add an extra layer of control, whether you prefer tight budgets or ensuring there's always room for unexpected expenses. When you've settled on your new limits, it's time to make these changes official. Simply click on the Confirm button. Think of it as sealing the deal on your personalized settings. It's a straightforward, yet powerful tool for managing your finances well. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully altered your spending limits on Wise. Taking control of your spending is more than just numbers. It's an empowering way to manage your finances with confidence and assurance. Thank you for watching, and happy spending with Wise.